Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. And yes, yeah, homeboy finally got a haircut. Now I just need to do some damage control with these curls. So it is finally sunny today, and I'm so excited. Tutorial number 3, back into the Marc Jacobs Provocateur eyeshadow palette focus. So beautiful. The last look I did, I mean, this color right here as well is such a beautiful deep purple with like these rose gold and pink glitter in there. It's just so beautiful and heavily dark. And I think today I actually want to play around with layering these and just see what type of outlook it becomes, I guess, is what I'm really trying to say. So let me go get my ice prep. Obviously, we're continuing with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter eyeshadow primer, my favorite, next to Urban Decay's Primer Potion. So yeah, let me go and prep my eyes. I still don't know what kind of look I want to do, in all honesty. I think I might do a sultry. I just feel this palette in general is just very smoky and sultry with that punch of color. But yeah, let's get into this. All right, so eyes are prepped. Sun's coming in. I'm so excited. I think the first one I'm gonna go in is You Might, which is gonna be this one. Just gonna take the ring finger. No, actually, I take that back. What I'm going to do, what I want to do, which I am going to do, is I'm gonna go in with this matte called Otherwise right here, kind of like that cool tone type of beige going on here, and just really start to put that into the crease and begin to just make my shape. Ooh, this actually kind of reminds me of the Buck eyeshadow from Urban Decay. Nice to know that there, maybe I might use this for a brow color. No, no. Does it have that really cool toneness that I'm looking for? Spinning it into the crease, really beginning to create that shape. And it really has this cool toneness to it, like the it really that cool tone and the undertone color. Oh, Jesus, what am I trying to say? Put your words together, Cyrus. It has that type of brown and that very cool, almost like a hint of a lavender. Did I clean my brush? I'm pretty sure I cleaned my brush. A hint of lavender in it to really cater to this color story, which is beautiful. Perfect. Just creating that shape. And then going in with a fluffier brush, which is going to be this one from Urban Decay. Just begin to go ahead and blend that out. Soften the edges. And I think for the brow bone highlight, I'm still going to use the Marc Jacobs highlighter that I have and just continue with that as my brow bone. Perfect. So let me go do the other side, make them look like sisters, and we will continue. Here we are, looking like sisters. Now, I'm going to go in with You Might, which is going to be this one. Definitely has a beautiful duochrome. And we're going to put that all over the lid. All over the lid. Into the inner corner. Perfect. Make him even. And this is such a beautiful color. They don't make them like this anymore. They really don't. Then up into like the little corner here. And ambrosia here. Perfect. And then going in with that previous brush and just really emphasizing that first color we laid down. Oh, such a beautiful color. I always feel like with that matte, you could really do a beautiful smoky with it. Just put it all over your lid and just blend it out. Let me turn down the ring light there. There we go. So we can see it a little bit better. Perfect. Now next, I'm actually going to go in with my ring finger again, and I'm going to actually go into Just Stay, this one right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that right on top of this one. And then Zozo on this side. And just begin to layer a little bit of these colors to see what we get out of it. And that is actually really pretty. I believe these are two satin or cashmere or whatever Marc Jacobs wants to call these. They're there. Now, gonna go back in with that first matte color and just begin to re-infiltrate, restructure that color we put down before. Oh, that is such a beautiful color. I'm digging it. Like, it's just so gorgeous. And it's always about making them look related. Perfect. Going in with that fluffy brush and just begin to blow out the edges. Perfect. Now I'm gonna go in with my old school Mac. I need to buy a new one. This is the Mac, I don't even know what it is, 224 blending brush. It has seen better days. I mean, it's getting there. Now I'm gonna go into as well, might as well, and just begin to blend out in the corner. Ah, right in the eye. Wow, okay. Hello. And just begin to blow it out. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous. Just to add a little bit depth in the corner, right into the crease. Ambasha. And this is just such, I mean, even just a little bit does go a long way with this color, which I really do love. And it's literally just about building, starting off with a little bit, taking off the excess, and just going back in and recreating that color. Or not recreating that color, but really mapping out the smokiness of it all. And just keeping it literally right in the outer corner. Perfect. And when it comes to creating looks, it's just really about layering. So just going in with a little bit, mapping out your base, and then going back in, adding a little bit more, and then blending, and then going back in, adding a little bit more, going in with the liner with the same color. Just to get a little bit of a liner going. So this is why I always like to start with eyes first, because I really love doing a lot of dramatic looks. So I always start with eyes first to get all that fallout, let it fall, then I can really amp everything up, and then I go in with a makeup remover and just do stuff. And then if I want to do stuff, if I want to add drama to the bottom, then I will, but for the most part it's just layering and mapping and then layering. Let's look at that. Oh, and it just elongates the eye. I am in love. Gorge. I really do hope Marc Jacobs comes back with his brand revamped and whatever, because these are just, oh, it's just so provocative. It's so couture. It's just so Emily in Paris, but Cyrus in the Netherlands. That's what it is. Let me go do the other sister, and then we will be back for the final look. I think that's about all I'm gonna do. Might tightline my water, might tightline my water eye with a black. I don't know yet. We'll see how I feel. This is all in a moment. So I'll see you guys in a bit. So totally forgot. Could do the highlighter as my brow bone highlight. Ah, gorge. Gives off a beautiful duochrome type of finish. Gorge, gorge, gorge. And then for mascara, I went ahead and put on the Dark Star Mascara by Pat McGrath. I don't have the Marc Jacobs one anymore, obviously. But that was actually a really beautiful mascara. Gosh, what was it? The Velvet something, something, something of some sort back in the day. Actually, you know what? That, but also, let me go in and just pop that right into the inner corner. Ooh. Oh God. Okay, come through. What is this one again? Showstopper. What? Coming through to stop the show. And of course, the waterline, I went ahead and tightline with their Permagel, Pat McGrath Labs, and Extreme Black. So, any type of gel liner, look at how this just pops my brown eyes a little bit more. Maybe it's the ring light or maybe it's the light, but I just feel like it pops my eyes. Purples and blues really bring out the honey. And I mean honey of the eyes. Alright. So, let me go get the rest of my face and then we will see the final look. Alright, so here is the final look. I mean, provocateur. And for blush, I went ahead and actually combined Outlaw and Dolce Vita from NARS. And those two combinations are so beautiful together. So obviously, how am I going to do this? These two. So this is Outlaw and then Dolce Vita. Very beautiful. This could actually build up to a beautiful rouge type of look. And then for lips, I went ahead and did Supermodel by Charlotte Tilbury with a hint of the Showstopper highlighter on top. And literally, I'm using this until I freaking can't get any more. The Pat McGrath Opulus Divine Naked, no wait, what? Naked Rose. Mother Pat, you gotta bring that into like the full line effect. But overall, I mean, this eye look, besides the fact that I just messed it up with the mascara, I mean, accidents do happen, so, you know what, whatever. It just looked gorgeous. So, Provocateur, what is this, number 3, I think? And I really do love how, let's actually turn off the ring light, how it really brings out my brown eyes. I mean, without, oh, it's just so beautiful. This is such a beautiful palette. If you have it, play around with it a little bit more. You know, I hope Marc Jacobs comes out with his line again. I mean, boom. Yep. Still the NARS Sure Glow, and I actually mixed in a little bit of the OG Liquid Glow, the Peach Fizz from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And of course, to set, I went ahead and used the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Dewy Setting, and the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Is that what it's called? Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Party all night, stay all day. White tea and Bali. White tea and Bali? Oh, okay. Get fancy. But yeah, so I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have similar color stories or something to the same effect, play around with it. I mean, it's such a beautiful couture, just, I mean, this is definitely a mood type of look I just created, and I'm really feeling it. Smoky on the bottom, drama on the top. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something new. I mean, I mean, look at the skin texture. Look at that skin. Oh, 36 coming in strong. 36 this summer. Ooh, skin don't lie. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Many more tutorials to come. And I think I actually want to do something more ethereal. Or maybe even just focus on just like these two colors or just those two colors. And I want to play around with this one a little bit more. Maybe just I mean, there's quite a few different ways you could do this. I mean, this could be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then actually Sunday night, and then Sunday day for church. I mean, why not? So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys loved it. Many more tutorials to be coming this new year. I'm excited to be consistent finally with doing this stuff. So yeah, see you next video.